What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different ways that you can make $100 a day online from your own computer. Doesn't really matter your age. You can do this. You can build up that income. So I'm going to hop onto my computer right now and start showing you guys the 3 different ways. So the first thing we are going to be talking about is called retail arbitrage. Now, what's retail arbitrage? Retail arbitrage, very simply, is just buying products at a discount and reselling them for a profit. So you're selling them for more, and this can be done on Amazon, this can be done on eBay, the Facebook marketplace, anywhere. And there's tons of different ways to find certain products. So let's say for this example, we want to sell products on Amazon. We're gonna go over, and I like to do this the backwards way. So it's very easy to make an account on Amazon or eBay and get set up and start selling. Now, what I like to do is I do it backwards. I do the reverse. I will find a product on Amazon, and then I will go search for that product and look for a deal. Now, some people will do this the opposite way. They'll go to a website like Retail Me Not, which is just a bunch of discounts and offers, but a lot of times there's a lot of sorting and stuff going on that can take some time to find the right products. But this website, you can see different clearance sales, different stores. You can click on there, go through, but I found that way takes me longer. So what I like to do is I'll go over to Amazon and I'll start super broad and I'll search just toys. So from my experience doing this, toys, electronics do very well. Clothes, not as much with retail arbitrage, and it's just a lot more of a process with clothes. So I just search toys, and over here on the side, Amazon will break it down by department. They will also show you different brands, and what I like to do is find a brand that is a bigger brand so people know them, like Lego, Fisher-Price, Hasbro, etc. Now, Lego does have a restriction where you can't sell it, but over here I just look through these. I'd look at all the different categories they have, and when I did this earlier, the brand Leapfrog came up, which is actually from my childhood. I'm surprised it's still here. So I will look at their different products and I'll see what is selling, what's doing well. So right here, this Leap Pad, it's called the Leapfrog Leap Pad Ultimate, is selling for $99 on Amazon, and it's ranked very highly. It's selling a ton. It has an Amazon's Choice badge. So what do? Well, I go and I open a new tab, and I'm just gonna search the exact title. So it's Leapfrog, let's see, what was it? We can just copy and paste it. Leapfrog Leap Pad Ultimate. So Leapfrog Leap Pad Ultimate. And all I do is go over to the shopping tab. And now we are looking for a new product. We don't want used or refurbished, so we can, over on the corner over here, we can select new items. And then it'll show us everything that is new that is that product. And we do have to make sure it's the same product, but you can see right here, there's someone selling it. It's brand new, $65 on eBay. New right here, brand new, you can see $70. So if we got this for $65 or $64 right here, we could probably buy multiple. If they had them, it might just be one unit. We could go sell that for $100 on Amazon. Now, Amazon does take a 15% fee. So take 15% of 100, you lose $15 there. So if we add 15 to this, that means it would cost 80 total. So you'd make $20 in profit buying a $65 product. Now, it does not have to be this expensive of a product. You can do this with cheaper products, but this is just kind of the start of what you could do. You could stick with one brand if it worked right. You could start with this one that's $21, or you can maybe start with one that's $16. But the lower you go, the lower your profit margin will be. If you're selling a $10 product, you might make $1. If you're selling a $30 product, you can make $7 to $10 normally, which is pretty good. It's usually a 30% return. So if something sells for $30, you can expect to make $7 to $12 or around there. So that is retail arbitrage. There's tons of different ways to do it. You can resell on Amazon, on eBay, Pinterest, Etsy, whatever you want. Just different ways of finding products because they're listed for all different prices in all different areas. And some people buy products like the person we saw over here on eBay and they just don't want it anymore. It's brand new, it's in the box, $65 because they've had it for a little bit, but it's still selling here on Amazon. So that is retail arbitrage. Next one is called SwagBucks. Now you guys might have heard of this, and this is honestly my least favorite way, but it's a way you can take online surveys. You can do different little things. I'm not a fan of the whole survey thing, but It's out there. There's a lot of things you can do on here, and you can earn gift cards, not necessarily cash, but you do every 100 SwagBucks you get is $1 in a gift card. You get like a PayPal gift card, a Chipotle gift card, whatever you want. And there's different things you can do. Some of them you have to spend money, some of them you don't. One of them, so your grocery receipts, you get 2 SwagBucks per grocery receipt right here. It's not much, but there's ones that are higher. There's one where if you spend $6 on Hulu, you get $30 back. So you spend $6, cancel, you can get $30 back. There's a bunch of different ones on here like that, and you can read the terms and how it gets paid, or not with that one. That one doesn't work. So we will see other ones, but you can see what you can get. You can get Amazon, you can get Expedia, whatever. And it's just different surveys, different things you can do. So if you buy a box, you get, okay, so these are discounts and offers, which you need to skip right here. But you can watch videos and earn money. It's not as much, but you might find it more entertaining. You can play games, popular videos, watch them, etc. And if you're wondering how SwagBucks makes money, why they offer this, they're affiliates for a lot of these. So for example, if they get someone to sign up at Hulu, they might get $5. So they then give you money for that and etc. So they can be affiliates for things where they get paid, or people are paying to be on this website to be shown. So it's a mix of them being an affiliate or them being paid, or actually both. So that is SwagBucks. Like I said, honestly, my least favorite. So let's move on to the next one. The next method we're gonna be talking about is offering services on Fiverr. I know what a lot of you are thinking, well, I don't have any skills or services I would want to offer on Fiverr, let alone other people would pay me for. And that's fine. There's a ton of different things you can do that require no skill, no real technical knowledge at all, and get paid $5, $10 for maybe 5-10 minutes of your time. So it equates to almost $50, $60 an hour, depending how you do these. Now, a perfect example, if I go on Fiverr and I search up transcribing, or people want videos from voice to text. So people want, let's say I'm making this video now and I want to put captions on it. I need an entire Word document of the words I'm saying to put underneath it to make the captions or to transcribe it. And a lot of people want this service. So if you look up transcribe on Fiverr, you'll see a lot of different services. So this person offers 10 minutes for $5, 15 minutes for up to 24 hours. They offer more per one, but you can see a lot of people will do $1 a minute or $1 per 2 minutes, which is pretty normal. Some people more, it really depends. So what you can do here, this is super simple, is you go, let's say they send you the video they want transcribed. You can go over to Google Docs, and under here, you can have that video playing and it will automatically transcribe it to text by using this one little tool on here. So if we're on Google Docs and we go under tools, we go down to voice typing, you click this and you would start the video and it would transcribe it pretty much perfectly for you. You just have to turn the volume up. You could walk away. You don't have to do anything. So if I click this to speak, you allow it to use your microphone. So I'm talking right here and you can see that it's actually writing on the paper as I talk. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop it because that's kind of weird, but you can see how quickly I just wrote a whole sentence in about 3 seconds. Now that video would just be playing and it would just be going and going and going as long as there's still volume going, and then it would stop. So you could walk away and do this and then go offer the service and literally just use this, play their video out loud, and boom. So let's say they sent you a 10-minute video, you charge $10, takes you 10 minutes, you copy this into a Word document, you send it to them, maybe 15 minutes of your time, you made 10 bucks. Do that 4 times each hour, it's 40 bucks right there. So that is one option. There's another option if you want to offer it at a higher price. You can have someone else do it for you. So there is a website called rev.com. I actually use this for my YouTube videos. And transcription, they charge $1 a minute, or captions for $1 a minute. They deliver it to you within 24 hours and it's guaranteed no errors. And let's say they're charging $1 per minute, you could charge $2. You do zero work other than just paste the link of the video. They send it to you within 24 hours. And it's pretty reliable. I've used them before, but you can do that, or you can do the free method. The Google Voice is very simple. So that is offering services on Fiverr. Again, this is just one of the many services. There's tons of things out there, and you can charge something on Fiverr, have no idea how to do it, and then give it to someone else to do that's charging a little less than you, and you take that profit and you're pretty much just a middleman and they don't know you're a middleman. So it's very easy with Fiverr services. Real quick before the end of this video, there's one thing I do want to talk about with this whole concept of making money online. A lot of people are looking at it completely wrong. They're looking how they can make money quickly doing one little thing, like doing retail arbitrage. That's a little more different, but Fiverr services, or how I can make $100 and then be done. What you should really be looking for is how you can start a business that's going to consistently pay you every single day of every single month. You shouldn't be trying to make one-time money here doing this or one time doing this. You need to find something that you can build and work on every day and grow that is an actual business. So that is kind of my 2 cents on this. I see so many people trying to make that quick money real fast and then it's gone. You need to be looking at how you can start a profitable online business. Now for me, it ended up being Amazon, and that's kind of the outlet I took, selling on Amazon full time, and that's kind of what led me to my success. So if you guys can find something like that, whether it's Amazon, it's drop shipping, it's affiliate marketing, anything like that, and if you don't know what those are, go do some research on them. There's tons of information online on YouTube, on Google, but try and start a legitimate online business. Don't just make money quickly once. How you can make $100 here, 100 here. Build a business that can make you thousands a month. So if you guys are interested in how to build an Amazon business, I will put a link down below to a free book and a free workshop that I will be hosting, where you guys can learn how I built my own Amazon business to over $1 million in under 2 years. So that'll be the first link in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.